like that, just staring at walls and looking at textures and stuff. Okay, let's take this. Let's give this a twist down the middle here. The exciting bits of the game. Well, especially when I'm playing a game to, you know, to become familiar with, to draw inspiration or to become familiar with things, you know. Okay. It's randomly popped on your feed. Oh, welcome. Welcome, traveler. Good time to join. We're just starting something new. We're gonna be sculpting a Tyranid project for the launch of the new game Space Marine 2. Warhammer 40k Space Marine 2. Might give me the height that I want. Just getting our armature set. I have a I did make a quick Pinterest board. It's pretty it's more just to get the basic anatomy of the different Tyranid forms, so I have to add more, of course. It's just began. Hey, what's up, Alex? Is it Alex or is it Alexis? Okay. Let's drill a hole here. Maybe this big. Alexi Sneaky. Oh, Alexi Sneaky. It's neither. You're super excited for the game? Yeah. I think this one's been a really anticipated launch. Especially being from the Warhammer 40k universe. Okay, let me grab the drill. I think we'll bulk this out a little bit with foil, too. Just a bit. Link gives you a cookie notice. Everything gives you a cookie notice nowadays, yeah. Any website you visit. I suppose it's better than how they used to do it with no notice whatsoever. Just gave you the cookies. Yeah, so this piece was commissioned by the makers of the game, or by Focus Entertainment, so it's really exciting to be a part of it. Like I said, we got something else coming down the down our path here that's linked to this game as well. All right. That should do it. T-pose Tyrannid, not anymore. This this one will be one of the larger ones. That's pretty much the basic idea is it's one of the larger Tyrannids with a swarm of the smaller ones around the bottom side of it. It releases tomorrow. Okay, all right. Very soon. Now I think this one has 4 arms. I'm just not sure we need to add a frame to the 4 arms. I think these lower arms will be close enough to the base that it's not going to need structure. Because remember, this is just a sketch. Okay. One thing I was looking at that I wanted to make sure, whichever one we choose to be the larger one is, I want to look out. So I want the smaller ones to be the classic regular foot soldier Tyranids. I know I'm bad with my Tyranid terminology. I wanted to look up a size chart so to make sure we're actually proportionally getting these the size that they need to be. Let's see. Hormagaunts, yeah, that's the one. Typical foot soldier. Yeah, and they either have a blaster or they have those blades, you know, this like scythe blades. Let's see, Tyranid. Tyranid size chart. So I don't think the tabletop models are properly sized. At least I don't think so. Oh yeah, hysteric. Where do you find that at? Let's see. Let me just Google it. I found the website. Hmm. Hello, Moxie. Alright, I'm getting something here. Oh yeah, this is from Daka Daka. Oh, no, wrong one. Open image, new tab. I think I found the one you're talking about. Here, let me show you. This is what I was able to find. So it looks like these two are the basic foot soldier type. So I'm thinking this one is the Swarm Lord. That's what it looks like. So maybe we do a Swarm Lord with these guys as the small ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a Swarm Lord. I've sculpted a Swarm Lord before, so I'm familiar with them. Okay. But we probably won't do the one with the gun. Probably the four arms with the blades. That soldier's looking small versus the bugs. He's got this. He's got human ambition to defy the odds. Okay. So, we know we want to do Swarm Lord. Let me go back to my Pinterest board here. Hive Tyrant. They're the same size though, I think, right? Tyrant. Isn't the difference just... Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, the Hive Tyrant has... Oh, actually, I don't know about that. The Hive Tyrant has 4 blades. The Swarm Lord has 4 arms with articulable fingers, right? Same size, different weapon, and can have wings. Okay, yeah. Let's do Hive Tyrant. Ah, yeah, I see. So, seems like the top 2 arms are like the scythe thingies, and then the bottom 2 are articulable hands, which can either have swords or a gun. Or here's one. See, it looks like a... See, that's kind of like the one I've done, where has 4 swords. Either way, we have enough to get the sketch started. That's really what we're looking for here. So. We don't have to have it all figured out, just enough to be able to build our sketch. Thinking like a little bit forward posture. Do we get this kind of whole swarm around? lazy subs in here. No, Minotaur is in progress. You didn't miss it. The Goon Hammer has 2 swords and a big gun. Well, okay. What if we put this? Okay. Let me go get some foil and go check on our clay. We'll start building our forms here. I'll be right back. Okay. Got some tin foil. Let's bulk out the base of this. Maybe a little bit in the torso region. And then I'm gonna go get the clay. Okay. Move it up. Like that forward. Hello, gravity. What's the news? Well, we're starting a new project for the release of the upcoming game Space Marine 2. We've been commissioned by Focus Entertainment to bring a pyramid themed project to life here. So we're in the very beginning stages of the sketch. Figuring out how we want this to look. Hey, Steven, awesome. Sounds good, man. Yeah, don't worry. There's plenty of time between when the ball can get rolling. So. But I look forward to that one for sure. It'll be fun. Oh yeah. I feel like raid wouldn't work very well against them. They would adapt. Or they would be spraying you with raid by the end of the game. Gameplay videos on this game on YouTube now. Yeah. Yeah, you should see it all kind of rolling out now. You know, the hype train, full steam ahead. I think it's something like that. And of course shift it around even after we add the clay. Good morning, Colleen. Yeah, I think it lifts today. They're hysteric. They gave me the go-ahead to start. Technically, they gave me the go-ahead to start yesterday, but we needed that extra day with of course, the missus falling ill the day before, so she's feeling better, but she's trying to crush whatever it is today the rest of the way, so taking it easy a little bit today. She's not 100% yet. Okay, let me grab the clay and we'll begin the sketching process. I'll be right back.